The adhesive in paint protection film is the key link between the TPU base film and the car's paint, directly impacting bond strength, installation experience, and paint safety during removal. The TPU base film provides flexibility and stretch, the coating offers weather resistance, and the adhesive ensures the film stays securely bonded to the paint surface. 1. Main adhesive components. PPF adhesives are typically solvent-based acrylic pressure-sensitive adhesives, chosen for their UV resistance, aging durability, and stable bonding performance across temperature ranges. 2. Key performance indicators. Initial tack allows multiple adjustments during installation for precise alignment. Holding power maintains a stable bond over time, preventing lifting or peeling. Peel strength. Industry standard requires 180 degrees peel strength greater than or equal to 5H 25 mm after 72 hours. Cohesion prevents internal separation of the adhesive, reducing residue risk. Aging resistance withstands UV, heat, and humidity aging. 3. Quick quality assessment. High-quality adhesive has minimal odor, moderate tack, no glue transfer when folded and stuck repeatedly, and resists being rubbed off. Poor adhesives often have a pungent smell, excessive stickiness, leave residue, and have a short service life. For global market preferences. Premium markets, such as Europe and North America, focus on weather resistance, clean removal, and long-term protection. Short-term customization markets, such as parts of Southeast Asia and the Middle East, prioritize cost and installation efficiency. Choosing a PPF with premium adhesive not only safeguards OEM paint but also improves installation efficiency and customer satisfaction.